Good morning. It's Sunday, March 3rd, day 4 of the blizzard of 24. Looking down my stairwell, uh, the snow formations are even more radical than they were yesterday. All these beautiful cornices built up on the snow fence. Got a nice little garland trim here on the fascia board. And it's still around -8, somewhere around 18F. And it's still snowing outside. Snow cap on the lantern is getting even bigger. So we're looking at my snow scoop, which I used a lot yesterday. And I kind of trashed it in the process. So we're going to try to patch this up. As predicted, we had the windy snowstorm last night. And yeah, I did all this digging out of the entrance yesterday, Saturday, March 2nd, and it's all full of snow again. Because that's where the snow likes to go. All right, so we're nearing completion of the snow alleyway. I brought out the power equipment to blow the snow out of the driveway that I'm piling up there. So yeah, we're just shoveling this alleyway out one shovel at a time. About 5-foot barrier here at the end, and I don't know what's going on up there, but that should be interesting. All right, so we're back here in the foxhole on Sunday, March 3rd. And it's just gonna be some snow throwing. That's the only way to get this out of here. Maybe use your legs. That's how we do it. Okay, so it's about 12:15. I'm getting kind of hungry. I got my entryway to the A-frame all dug out. Yeah, well, it's still snowing, guys. Also made a nice parking place in case my guests show up today as planned. However, that seems unlikely given that all the highways 80, 20 are all still closed. And the road here is only being driven on by the local snowblower crews. I haven't seen a single county plow this morning. It's almost 3 p.m. on Sunday, March 3rd, looking out at the deck, and well, I haven't dug it out since about 5:30 p.m. yesterday. So I've got about over 2 feet of fresh, fluffy pow, and so let's see if we can actually get it off the deck this afternoon. Okay, we're re-entering the winter wonderland of my stairwell. Just to maintain, I'm gonna have to keep digging out this little alleyway up my stairs. But yeah, I mean, you can kind of imagine what surprise folks are gonna have when they come back to their cabins after this big blizzard and they try to get to their front door.